Good morning and happy Monday. Today's Monday, first day of the week. I hope you guys have an amazing day. The children will be having peanut butter with some banana up in there. Maddie loves this. Actually, Jackson and Maddie loves this. I cut the crust off of Maddie's because she does not eat the crust. Jackson doesn't mind, so I did not, I did not do the most. And then they're gonna have some sour cream and onion chips, sweet and salty. And then I cut up some apple. This is one apple shared between the two. And they're gonna have an applesauce. It's a bit, it's a lot of apple going on, but I'm trying to get rid of all the stuff that I had from last week. So this is the no sugar added applesauce mixed berry. They love this kind. They have their spork spoon, whatever, and then they're gonna have some roaring waters. I went to Martin and this was $3.50. I almost did not pick it up. I was so tempted to just give them water, but they're so used to drinking these with their lunch that I just went ahead and paid. But I remember when Capri Sun used to be $2.98. I don't know what's going on. So these might be a thing, or they might not be a thing, because why? But anyways, I'm not complaining. God is good. He provides. And so Jackson's having the same thing, his roaring water, and they're gonna both take water in their backpack because it's mandatory at their school that they bring water. Yeah, they legit will text you and let you know that you need to bring your child water. But anyways, this is what they're having for Monday. I will see you guys for after school for what they ate. I might bring my camera because they're staying with me for aftercare, because I do aftercare at school. So they might stay with me and I might bring my camera just to show y'all what they ate. Anyways, I hope you guys have an amazing day and I will see you guys later. Okay, so this is Maddie's from yesterday. I don't know where Jackson is. She didn't touch the apple, which is kind of sad because it was really good apple. And she brought back the applesauce. What's going on, ma'am? You're not a fan of applesauce anymore? Yeah, she brought back. Yeah, that was Jackson is bringing his, so I'll show you guys his. Okay, so this is Jackson's. Let's see. Just a few bites. Anyways, they did good. Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday. Happy Tuesday to each and every one of you. I was not able to do what they ate after school for Monday because I got home pretty late and I just rushed into making sure that dinner was on the table, even though my teenagers, they cooked. Yes, you heard that right. My 17-year-old, 16-year-old, and 15-year-old cooked dinner yesterday. Anyways, that's neither here nor there. Today they're gonna have just your basic turkey and cheese. I put some lettuce and mayo in here. I cut up Madison's so that she's able to, just sit and comfortably eat her lunch without it spilling everywhere from her taking a bite, because she's just 6 years old. Jackson, I just cut his in half. He's old enough. And then I put his pretzel situation wheel. I think they're wheel. And some goldfish. He's going to have a roaring water and this sweet treat right here. It's just a granola bar, and that's all he's gonna have. These are empty. These are from the Planet boxes. I've had this for years. I've never utilized it before. This is my first attempt with Maddie. This used to be Destiny. She's now 15 years old, so she's having the same thing, and her juice and some, oh that's right, I forgot, Jackson's having a pudding. It's a hot mess going on around here, okay? That's just the honest truth with prepping lunch. It just gets a little bit chaotic. But anyways, I'll see you guys for after school for what they ate. They're gonna take water with them, if I didn't say that before. But I'll see you guys for what they ate after school because I don't work today. So, bye! Okay, good morning, guys. So this is a little tip if you don't want your apples to go brown during the day for your little kiddos. So what I do is I put one little teaspoon of sugar with either lemon or lime juice, because I don't want the apples to become too tart. So I put a little bit of sugar to add a little bit of sweetness, and then I just let it sit in here for about 5 minutes, 2 minutes, it doesn't matter, just to let the apples soak up some of that lemon juice, and it prevents it from going brown. Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday. I didn't get to do what they ate after school on Tuesday, I believe. So today they're gonna have some, this is chicken and broccoli rice. They love this stuff. Oh, and so I put it in this plate. It's gonna be warm. They're gonna have a dulce leche rice pudding, some goldfish, some pretzel wheels, the buttery kind, and Maddie requested sour cream chips. They're gonna have some apple in their juice, and that's gonna be it. Justin is having the same exact thing. So they're gonna have their water, and this is what they're gonna have. We gotta go because I'm late. So I'll see you guys for after school for what they ate. Okay, so it's after school on, what's today? Wednesday. So what she had, and she didn't touch her apple. You gonna eat these for snack? Everything else is gone. Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday, and it's just Madison. Jackson is going to the academy nearby us. He's in 6th grade. So 6th grade, 6 through 8, participate in a lot of programs, and they do a lot of sleepover and outdoor school situations. So he won't be back until Saturday. After his performance, so he'll be gone today, tomorrow, and Sabbath. So we pick him up at 3. So it's just Madison. So the school that he's going to, the academy, he's gonna eat lunch there, but I'm dropping him off at his school. Does that make sense? I hope it makes sense. So anyways, Maddie's gonna have a turkey wrap. It's just turkey, mayo, and some lettuce. So I figured that is her vegetable. She's gonna have some of these sour onion situation chips. She loves these. And then she's just gonna have a bar as a sweet treat. She's gonna have the dulce leche. These are so good. I tried one yesterday, and it's really good. Her roaring water and her spoon, and then of course I'm gonna pack her water. So I will see you guys for after school for what she ate. Okay, guys, this is the best water bottle by far. Destiny had this when she was in elementary school, and now Madison has it. When I tell you this thing does not leak compared to her other Awala, I think is the brand. That sucker leaks like there's no tomorrow, and it's less than a year old. My husband took it yesterday because he thought, ooh, nice water bottle, I'm gonna take it with me. And it leaked all over his seat in the car. But this bad boy, this is the Contigo, and look, it's been loved on, but it doesn't leak. Best water bottle on the market. Okay, it's after school on Thursday. This is what she brought home, and then she's eating her granola. I just wanted to catch her before she got into it.
I'm sharing me and Destiny this.
Okay, hey guys, say good morning.
Good morning.
You don't have to take the camera. This is the perfect height. You just go right there. Today is Friday, and Miss Madison wants to do the lunch video. Go ahead.
So I'm having sour potato chips, a sandwich, and jello, and my juice, and my chewy chocolate bar.
And that's just for aftercare. I am working today in aftercare, so she will be in aftercare. On Friday, school get out at 12, and I work until 4:30 before the sunset because it's an Adventist school. Jackson is still away. He's performing tomorrow, so we'll meet up with him tomorrow. I won't be doing what she ate after school today because it's just Fridays are just too busy. Anyways, I hope you guys have an amazing weekend, and I will see you guys on Monday. Bye, guys.